Hi everybody, this is Crazy Alter Ego. First of all, let me apologize. My camcorder is broke, so I'm using this Kodak ZX1 that I got as a gift like 2 years ago, and so it doesn't take that good of a quality video. So let me apologize. It's gonna be kind of grainy, but I hope you guys can follow. The reason why I'm creating this video is because my friend, he recently purchased the Samsung Admire, the same phone that I have, and I just spent 30 minutes trying to explain to him how do you add music, how do you add ringtones, and how do you individualize a ringtone to a particular contact. For example, my fiance has a different ringtone for when she calls than he does when he calls. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, how I do it. That's quick and simple and easy for me. Okay. So first of all, you just want to simply connect your phone to your laptop via the USB cable that came with the package. Okay. Once you do, you get that little universal USB sign up here that looks like a big line with little tree branches. You get that at the top of the menu bar. You slide that down. The top choice will say USB connected. You'll click that. You'll see the little green Android guy. At the bottom it says turn on USB storage. Click that. Click OK. So basically it turns your phone into a removable disk drive. So your laptop will recognize it as that. And when it's all done, you see the little guy turn orange. Okay. So what I would like to do now is I go to the start menu. I go to my music. My choice is MP3 Rocket that I use for my music. You'll see two songs here. Nate Dogg, Me and My Homie, and Brian McKnight, Love of My Life, I'm using for this example. Okay, so I'll go back to the start menu. I'll go to my computer. You'll see down here, it'll say under device with removable storage, it'll say removable disk G. Okay, we go ahead and select that. And then this list of folders pop up that's already on your phone. If you notice, you don't see music on there. So you just go ahead and right click. And you can go down to new. Go down to new. Go down to folder. And you create a folder. I just simply name mine music with capital letters, as you could see right there. It's kind of blurry. I apologize once again. And basically, you can just drag whatever music files that you have over to music. Okay? And once you drag, however many, or highlight and drag however many that you want over there, you can go ahead and close those back out and go back to your phone. Now, you want to turn off the USB storage. You notice the little guy turning back green. And at the top, it says media scanner running, which is scanning back the SD card. Okay? So you go down, you hit the little home key, you back out to the original screen. Now you swipe over to the music player, which is on my second page. And then you notice at the top, it says selected playlist is empty. You click on that. And it gives you 4 options. At the far right, the 4th option, it says playlist. And then it says recently added. Click on that and you'll see what songs you just recently added. So I moved over Brian McKnight and Nate Dogg. So for this example, we're going to go down to Nate Dogg, Me and My Homies, and make that my default ringtone. So you just quickly press down and hold it down for about a second, and then it gives you a list of options. A list of options. Play, add to playlist, use as phone ringtone. So we're going to use it as a phone ringtone. And then a little message pops up saying that it's used as a phone ringtone. Come down, hit the home button again. And we'll double check by going to settings, going to sound settings, go down to phone ringtone, and then we'll scroll through here, and there goes Nate Dogg and Me and My Homies. It's already highlighted in green. You know, doing it this way. Me and my homies, you know we kick it like every day. Okay. So we'll go ahead and cancel that. So doing it that way, you only get the first 30 seconds of the song. So basically, if you want a particular 30 seconds of a song, you're going to have a music software editor and then create a separate file or a separate song with that particular 30 seconds. So you could just do the same thing and transfer it over to your phone, and then you have the 30 seconds that you want set as a ringtone. Okay, so now you want to personalize it, because when your wife calls, you don't want to say Me and My Homies, right? So you go to contacts. In this case, we're going to go to my fiance, click on her contact, and then you see, you know, a list of phone numbers I have for her. You're going to go down to menu, and you notice 4 options pops up at the bottom. Edit contact, share, options, and then delete contact. You want to go down to options, and then at the top, you'll have 2 options. The first one being ringtone. You select that, and then you can go to the list of ringtones. Okay, so in this case, we're going to go to Brian McKnight, Love of My Life. Okay, so once you hit OK, so that Brian McKnight song is assigned just to her. Everybody else will get Me and My Homies or whatever, you know, you decide to choose. Now, let me beware. Well, let me let you beware that just because you transfer songs into that original playlist that you have over here does not mean that they're ringtones. You have to go to each particular song that you want to be a 30-second ringtone, like Usher, There Goes My Baby. If I want to add that to the ringtone selection, I have to go to that song, hold it down for a split second, and then select Use as Phone Ringtone, so it'll be in the options of ringtones. But once again, I apologize for this video kind of being grainy and blurry and all over the place, but I hope you was able to follow along, and go ahead and drop the comments. And I know it's going to be some negative comments, so, you know, that's YouTube and all the haters, but, you know, like I said, I hope I helped out a lot of people, and thanks for viewing Crazy Alter Ego at YouTube.